Imagine an ancient structure so vast that it can only be fully appreciated from space. A formation so mysterious it has sparked countless theories about its origin. Welcome to the Richat Structure, also known as the Eye of the Sahara, a place that defies explanation and holds secrets that challenge our understanding of history. Stay tuned as we delve into the shocking discoveries and tantalizing facts about this enigmatic landmark. Hello explorers! Welcome back to Ark Discoveries, your ultimate destination for unraveling the mysteries of history and uncovering the world's most fascinating discoveries. Today, we're journeying to the heart of the Sahara Desert to explore a geological marvel that is as captivating as it is perplexing, the Richat Structure. Buckle up, because this is one adventure you won't want to miss. Let's start with the basics. The Richat Structure, or the Eye of the Sahara, spans an impressive 40 kilometers in diameter. It's so massive that it can be seen from space and was first captured in detail by images taken by astronauts. But what exactly is it? Initially, scientists thought it was an impact crater formed by a meteorite strike. However, as more data came in, this theory was debunked. The Richat Structure is actually a deeply eroded elliptical dome of sedimentary rock that dates back to the late Proterozoic era, around 1 billion years ago. So, how did this structure form? The prevailing theory suggests it was created by a combination of geological processes, including the uplift of rock layers followed by millions of years of erosion. The concentric rings of the Richat Structure are made up of different types of rock, each weathering at varying rates, which creates the striking bullseye pattern visible today. This pattern is so distinct and unique that it even serves as a landmark for astronauts orbiting Earth. Why is it called the Eye of the Sahara? From above, the Richat Structure resembles a massive, unblinking eye staring out from the desert. This eye-like appearance, combined with its sheer size and its isolation in the vast expanse of the Sahara, gives it an almost otherworldly quality. It's no wonder this natural wonder has ignited the imaginations of scientists, historians, and conspiracy theorists alike. The Richat Structure was first documented in the 1930s, but it wasn't until the advent of space travel that its full scale and uniqueness were truly appreciated. When astronauts aboard the Gemini and Apollo missions looked down at Earth, they were captivated by this perfect circular formation. Its immense size and mystery led to a surge of scientific interest and exploration, contributing to our current, though still incomplete, understanding of its geological origins. With such a mysterious and striking appearance, it's no surprise that the Richat Structure has inspired countless myths and legends. Some ancient cultures believed it to be the remains of the lost city of Atlantis, theorizing that its concentric rings mirrored Plato's description of Atlantis. Others have proposed that it was an alien landing site or the result of a colossal meteorite impact. While these ideas are enticing, there is no concrete evidence to support them, yet they continue to add to the mystique and allure of the Eye of the Sahara. Scientific research and exploration have made the Richat Structure focal point for geologists and researchers. Extensive studies have aimed to understand its formation, composition, and historical significance. One of the most significant discoveries was the presence of hydrothermal deposits within the structure, indicating that it was once a site of geothermal activity. This finding opens new doors, suggesting the area may have supported ancient life forms in the distant past, adding another layer to its intrigue. Today, the most widely accepted theory is that the Richat Structure is a deeply eroded geological dome. This theory, supported by the presence of ancient volcanic rocks and the distinct layers of sedimentary rock that form its concentric rings. However, the exact sequence of events that led to its formation remains a topic of ongoing research and debate. It's believed that a combination of volcanic activity, tectonic uplift, and long-term erosion over millions of years created this natural wonder of formation that continues to baffle and amaze scientists around the world. Despite its remote location, the Richat Structure has not been completely isolated from human activity. Archaeological evidence shows that ancient peoples once inhabited the region. They left behind stone tools and other artifacts, indicating that this site wasn't just a geological curiosity, but also a place of significance for early human settlers. The structure may have served as a navigation landmark, a sacred site, or a central location for ancient communities trying to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. As exploration continues and technology advances, the Richat Structure still holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered. It stands as a testament not only to the powerful forces of nature, but also to the enduring curiosity of humankind. Whether seen as a geological marvel, a lost city, or the eye of an ancient god watching over the Sahara, one thing is certain: the eye of the Sahara will continue to inspire and wonder for generations to come. Today, the site is a popular destination for adventurous travelers and researchers who come to marvel at its beauty and uncover its secrets. The eye of the Sahara, with its immense size and striking appearance, continues to captivate those who seek to understand its geological origins and historical significance. It is not just a visual spectacle, it is a place of scientific intrigue and wonder. Environmental challenges. The Sahara Desert is one of the most extreme environments on Earth. With scorching temperatures, relentless winds, and little to no rainfall, it poses serious challenges for exploration and research. These harsh conditions make working in the region incredibly demanding. However, thanks to modern technology and remarkable advancements in remote sensing, researchers have been able to study the Richat Structure in unprecedented detail. Tools such as satellite imagery, drone surveys, and ground-penetrating radar have played a vital role in revealing the hidden aspects of this enigmatic formation, allowing scientists to gain deeper insight without needing constant physical presence on site. The eye from space. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Richat Structure is how it appears from space. The concentric rings and central dome form a visually stunning image that has been captured by numerous satellites and spacecraft over the decades. These breathtaking images have not only advanced scientific understanding but also sparked the imagination of the public worldwide. From orbit, the eye of the Sahara looks like a massive, unblinking eye etched into the Earth's surface, a powerful reminder of the incredible geological forces that have shaped our planet and the enduring mysteries that still await discovery. Unanswered questions. Despite decades of research, the Richat Structure continues to hold many unanswered questions. How exactly did the dome form? What precise combination of geological events led to the uplift and subsequent erosion that created this spectacular formation? Could there be other, similar structures buried beneath the endless sands of the Sahara, waiting to be discovered? These intriguing mysteries continue to drive scientific inquiry and exploration, ensuring that the Richat Structure remains a focal point of geological and historical research for years to come. As we wrap up our journey through the mysteries of the Richat Structure, we're left with a profound sense of wonder and curiosity. The eye of the Sahara stands as a testament to the raw power of nature and the timeless allure of the unknown. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Earth's most fascinating landmarks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Ark Discoveries. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and theories about the Richat Structure in the comments below. Whether you're a scientist, a history buff, or simply someone who loves a good mystery, your perspective matters. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. The world is full of mysteries just waiting to be uncovered, and here at Ark Discoveries, we're dedicated to bringing them to you. Stay tuned for more adventures into the unknown. See you in the next video. And remember, history isn't just about the past. It's about the stories that shape our present and inspire our future. Keep discovering and keep making history. Goodbye for now.